This book will help you to get lots of ideas for videos and articles and blog posts, but especially for videos in which you can show your enthusiasm with confidence, so that at least your future clients can find you. I am Elisabeth. In a world full of invisible entrepreneurs, your own smartphone is enough to give yourself a stage, right in front of the people that you want to reach the most. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I can help you make your business visible to your future clients. Not everything has to be a video. If you want to explain a lot of information, it's better to write a book, and that's exactly what Marcus Sheridan did. His nickname used to be the Pool Guy, because he started a company that sold swimming pools. And with his marketing method, he turned an ailing company into a successful, very well-known company that is seen as an authority when it came to swimming pools. And as it goes, what he didn't just work for swimming pools. You can use it too. In this book you will find the top 5 topics that you should speak out about as an entrepreneur. Some make sense, and others most people would like to avoid. I've already made quite a few videos thanks to this book, and they were not on my list before. And as a result, I now know Marcus's top 5 is exciting and very important to create the know, like, trust factor. Marcus himself is honest about it. What he really did was apply what he learned from other marketing gurus. And he applied it really well, which made him a marketing guru as well. But what he applies is known as, even before the internet was around, content marketing. The title of this book is They Ask, You Answer, and that's the gist of it. Make lots of videos in which you answer as many of the questions as possible that people might have about your products. People will be looking for the answers anyway, so it's better that you give them than that somebody else does. Some of the topics you'd rather not talk about, like money or problems. Well, maybe you think that your marketing should be only about success and results, but Marcus also talks about ostrich marketing in his book. That's the marketing where you try to avoid all the discomfort. And, well, you know by now, you will not win the trust of your viewers with that. You will get something out of this book even if you don't make videos. But on this point, Marcus is very clear. Video is the way to share your knowledge as an entrepreneur, whether you like it or not. Marcus says, when it comes to video, you must not be passive. It's not an option. That is why I work with this book with my trainees. This book is for sale in all the bookstores, and there's also a Dutch version out right now. What is your ultimate entrepreneurial book tip? Let me know in the comments with this video.